Hey guys, it's George and welcome back to my channel. Lately I've been very intrigued with organic skincare and I came across a couple natural remedies that are said to have great benefits for the skin. So I thought today I'd get outside my comfort zone and we're gonna try something a little weird. I'm gonna do an avocado facial. Avocado is not only a delicious and healthy snack, but it also contains vitamins to help enhance and repair your skin. I know eating an avocado is healthy for you. They're loaded with fiber and contain tons of potassium, but I never would have guessed that this fruit has an impact externally for your skin. When applied to dry skin, avocado helps lubricate every layer of the dermis, which is the thick, living tissue underneath your surface skin. Their high levels of fats and vitamins like A, D, and E help retain moisture and also work as an anti-ager, which is awesome. I'm not a doctor, so I'm just going to read to you from here some benefits that each one of these vitamins have for your skin. Starting with vitamin A, it encourages healthy skin cell production and helps to firm damaged skin. And in some cases, it reduces wrinkles as well. That's pretty great. Vitamin D helps contribute to skin cell growth, repairs, and metabolizes. It optimizes the skin's immune system and helps destroy free radicals that can cause premature aging. While the body can produce vitamin D on its own through sun exposure, too much sun can accelerate aging. We all know that. Last vitamin is vitamin E. And I did quite a bit of research on each one of these vitamins, but this one right here, vitamin E, is probably the most important. I'm going to read to you a paragraph because I found out quite a bit about vitamin E that I had no idea about. So hopefully you guys can benefit from this. Vitamin E, it works to block free radicals from the body, which play a large part in the aging process. So to be more scientific, free radicals can damage the skin by trying to grab an extra electron from atoms in the skin. When atoms are taken away from molecules in the skin, it causes damage to our skin's DNA. If we can fight off free radicals, then we can reduce wrinkles and keep skin youthful looking. That is very important. Vitamin E out of E, A, and D seems like it's the most important. I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready to put on this avocado mask. Let's try this out. Let's get messy. Let's get weird. Let's go. First, I'm going to get into what you need. So you're going to want to get yourself a fresh avocado, some organic honey, and also a grinder. And if you don't have a grinder, just get yourself a bowl and a spoon. Next, we're going to put some avocado inside the grinder, add a tablespoon of honey, and we're going to stir until it makes a paste. Now's the time where you're not going to judge my hair. Okay, just imagine it does not look like this. Once your face is covered, we're gonna leave this on for 10 to 15 minutes. And of course, we're gonna wash this off with some warm water. Alright guys, and that is the avocado facial. I don't know if I'm gonna call this a facial or a mask, but I have to say, my face does feel pretty good. I don't know if it's from the honey or the avocado, probably the avocado. But anyway, it was definitely a very unique experience, fun to do. Let's face it, organic and natural beauty products are definitely on the higher end side when it comes to price. So to do something like this, it was not only fun, I feel pretty good. My skin does feel kind of healthy right now. I feel healthy. So I would recommend trying this out. It's something that you'll have fun doing. So I did find a lot of natural organic skin remedies. So I think I'm gonna make this a series. So if you think that's a good idea, give this video a thumbs up. Surprisingly, I'm not an avocado lover. I know avocados are so trendy right now and all those hipsters love avocados, but they're alright. I don't really live for them. My partner loves them, so people do.